This video tutorial I will explain software development lifecycle, which is nothing but SDLC. The software development lifecycle is a fundamental framework that governs the entire process of creating software from conception to deployment and beyond. Here you can see the different stages of SDLC: planning, analysis, design, development, testing, deployment, and maintenance. First one is planning. In planning phase, project's goal, scope of the project, requirement of the project, and constraint of the projects are identified. This phase involves understanding the needs of stakeholders, conducting feasibility studies, and establishing project timelines and budgets. And key deliverables include project charters, requirement documents, and project plan. Second one is analysis. The analysis phase involves detailed examination of the requirements, which is gathered in the planning phase. And business analysts work closely with the stakeholders to clarify the requirements and identify any gaps or ambiguities and prioritize the futures. And the output of this phase is comprehensive set of functional requirement and non-functional requirement. Third one is design. Once requirements are understood, software architecture and system designs are developed. This includes defining the software structure, software components, interfaces of the software, and data models. Design documents such as architectural diagram, data flow diagram, and class diagrams are created to communicate the system's blueprint to the developers. Fourth one is development. In development phase, developers write code based on the design specifications. This involves implementing features, integrating components, and ensuring code quality through testing and code reviews. Development may follow various methodologies like Agile, Waterfall, or DevOps, depending on the project's need. Fifth one is testing. Testing is the critical phase where software is rigorously evaluated to ensure software meets quality standards and fulfill the requirements which was defined earlier. Testing includes unit testing, integration testing, system testing, and user acceptance testing. Test plans, test cases, and automated testing tools are used to verify the software functionality, performance of the software, and security of the software. Sixth one is deployment. Once software has passed the testing, is deemed ready for release, and software is deployed to the production environment. This involves configuring servers, deploying the code, and setting up databases. Deployment may require coordination with operation teams to ensure a smooth transition to production. Seventh one is maintenance. After deployment, software enters the maintenance phase, where it is monitored, updated, and enhanced as needed. This includes addressing bugs, implementing feature requests, and adapting to changes in technology or business requirements. Maintenance activities may be performed by dedicated support team or by the development team itself. Throughout the SDLC, communication, collaboration, and documentations are essential to ensure project success. The SDLC provides a structured approach to the software development, guiding teams through each phase of the process and helping to deliver high quality software that meets customer needs and expectations. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.